अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम करता हूँ रिव्यू किंग यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको जिस कार का रिव्यू करके बताने वाला हूँ उसका नाम है 2023 मज़दा CX-30। इसकी करंट प्राइस जो है वो $22,950 से $35,400 के इन बिटवीन है। The CX-30 is a sophisticated and sporty entry in the extra small SUV class. It has striking looks and plenty of standard features, though it's priced higher than much of its competition. It offers a lot for your money. It is comfortable on the road and gives you a decent amount of storage too. Its rank is third and 16x small SUV. It has 50 owner reviews and 29 mpg, $136 per month cost to drive. Combined mpg. Selected trim, its price is in a selected trim is 24,325. Pros: upscale interior design and build quality. Advanced safety features come standard. Poisoned handling and refined ride quality. Powerful optional turbocharged engine. Cons: transmission can be slow to downshift, significant rear blind spots. What is new? Base engine makes a bit more power and gets slightly better fuel economy. 2.5 turbo trim has been discontinued, part of the first CX-30 generation introduced for 2020. Overview: the 2023 Mazda CX-30 is an extra small crossover SUV and one of the best driving and most premium vehicles in its class. Introduced in 2020 to slot between the diminutive Mazda CX-30 and the larger CX-5 and CX-50. The CX-30 drives and feels more like a hatchback than a SUV. तो ये थी वीडियो जिसमें हमने Mazda CX-30 कार का SUV का रिव्यू किया है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी।